Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sandeep Sabnani. I am from Kumarji Group. Today, we are going to discuss a very important subject wherein we have observed that a lot of home buyers, particularly in the city of Ahmedabad, when compared to other cities like Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, Calcutta, are a bit reluctant to book their properties with the help of a professional real estate consultant like us. They somehow prefer to book their properties directly with the builders, wherein they tend to miss a plethora of services which a professional consultant can provide to them at zero cost. You know what? As a consumer, why does someone go to a wholesale market even to buy vegetables? There could be several reasons, like in a supermarket, you will get a wide variety of vegetables. You may get obviously lesser prices, and the supermarket person may offer you some additional service, maybe in terms of free home delivery, or maybe pick up your bag and take it to the car. These are the value added services because of which people go to a vegetable supermarket to buy vegetables. On the other hand, even for a simple tax return, people trust their chartered accountant. For minor ailments, they go to a doctor. For repairing of their car, they go to a car mechanic. On the same lines, we would urge our consumers and home buyers to select a trustworthy professional consultant to help them in their home buying journey process, because the purchase of their home is the most valuable asset of their life and one of the most significant decisions after marriage for a person. If you go wrong over here, it can have very high adverse implications for your family, not just in this generation, but also the next generation. So let us run through 14 different reasons why professional consultants can be highly helpful to you. In today's time poor world, a lot of consumers have access to maybe 5, 15, or 20 projects in different areas. Whereas we have, as a wholesale market, access to 500 or 1,000 different projects in a typical city, wherein we know all the minute details of various suburbs and areas in terms of the important selection or the criteria factors such as connectivity, budget, civic amenities, upcoming infrastructure, and all of those factors. Henceforth, we can help you to shortlist the suburb of your choice. Secondly, we deal with builders on a daily basis as part of our business. We give them multiple sales. Henceforth, any reputed builder treats us as a wholesale client, whereas you as an individual as a retail client and offers the standard price. However, because of our ongoing relationships, we will be able to get the best deal for you at the best price and help you to secure a property which has the location which is closest to your preference and choice. May it be the floor, may it be in terms of the wind direction, may it be in terms of Vastu or any other criteria needed by you. We will represent your interest and help you to negotiate the best price and the best deals. Apart from that, as a matter of expertise, we will conduct all the due diligence which is required in terms of the legal aspects of the project or the builder. As a buyer, it is general tendency to save each and every single penny of your hard-earned money. As mentioned earlier, our 14 services come at zero brokerage charges to be paid by the buyer. Based on our extensive knowledge and research and hands-on practical experience, after the identification of the best suburb or the area, we will help you to identify the best builder for you. We have a range of different criteria to help you with this in terms of checking the builder's reputation, the ongoing projects, the completion of successful projects, the credibility, the legal due diligence and paperwork, compliance with the Real Estate Regulation Act, quality of workmanship, warranty periods offered, and most importantly, after sale service. Now, you may so understand that all of these things can be achieved with the help of a friendly property consultant and advisor on your side. We will always advocate for you and stand up for you in your home buying journey in front of the builder. Typically, when you book a under construction property, it takes 3 to 4 years for the building of your dream home to be ready. During these 3 to 4 years, we will provide you with regular updates in terms of the construction progress. We will help you in terms of making payments to the builder in a timely manner. We will help you to resolve any issues or concerns or conflicts, and also provide you relevant market updates in that vicinity or area. After the purchase of your home, we will handhold you right from the booking and documentation process through to standing with you for the registration of the sale deed or the conveyance deed, helping you to get the keys of your property and a smooth handover so you can easily enter your home and start your new life in the new home. Prior to handover of the property, we will also jointly inspect your property and identify any defects, if any, represent the same with the builder, and help you to rectify the same. We will negotiate all of these for you. If during the booking of the property or any stage, if you need any customizations or alterations or upgrades, we will help you smoothen the same by representing your concerns with the builder. Life is a journey, we know, and though you may book your home now to live in, it may so happen that you, because of job reason or education or any other reason, may get transferred to another city, the family may expand, or you may go to any overseas country. At this point of juncture, you will need the help of a professional agent to rent your property, find the best quality tenant, ensure that the collections of rents are done, manage and maintain the property by liaising and coordinating with the tenant so that your cash flows are not affected adversely. Apart from that, if you wish to sell or exit the property sale, we will help you to do that. Generally speaking, most reputed builders do not offer rental or resale or exit services to home buyers. As an investor, similar to portfolio management of stocks or equities, being experts in this industry and sector, we will advise you by analyzing the trends what is absolutely the best time for you to exit your property, sell your property, and derive the best return on investment for you. Let us assume that if your family is growing and if you will want to upgrade to a higher size property without selling your existing property, then we will liaise and coordinate and help you to obtain your new property by refinancing, by utilizing the expertise and skills of our empaneled vendors or service providers. If you wish to renovate your property during this journey by deploying the services of reputed architects or designers or furniture providers or furnishing providers or construction contractors or landscapers, we can refer you to them and make such things and services easily provided to you. So we have today, friends, covered the main reasons why a buyer should utilize the services of a good professional agent while making their home buying process with reputed builders and developers. To obtain the best deals in the city of Ahmedabad in and around from the most reputed developers, we urge you to contact our property consultants and experts at Kumarji Realty, who are always ready to help you at any given point of time. You can connect with us by our website, which is www.kumarjirealty.com, or our social media pages like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Otherwise, we are just a phone call away. Thank you for your patient listening. See you soon.